Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to quickly add the date and time in MS Word. First of all, click on your document where you want to insert the date or time. Now using the keyboard shortcut key alt+shift+D, press this button at a time. The current date add here. Now I want to add the current time. Again using the keyboard shortcut key alt+shift+T. Now current time also added here. If you want to manually add the current time or date, then you need to go to the insert button. Now go to the right corner of the document. In the text group, click date and time. In the date and time dialog box, select the format you want and then click OK. You can see the date is inserted as text. Finally, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Keep learning. Have a nice day.